you are learning Power BI, then this is the series for you. Start from video 1 to learn all the basic concepts of Power BI. This particular series had more than 150 plus videos to teach you each and every concepts around DEX, around Power Query, so that you can enhance your skills in Power BI. Subscribe to the channel. Hello and welcome to another video on beginner tutorial series, and in this video we would like to cover one function which is list.duration. Now let's jump to the Power BI and look how do we use that. So you might have heard that there are tables which are like timetable, which is having every 1 hour, that kind of a time is there, and then we can join it with our time, and then you can we use it on Access or something like that if we need. So now how do we achieve that thing? Okay, so for that list.duration can also help us. So we go to, under the home tab we have transform data and transform data to go to Power BI. Now once we reach to the Power Query basically, so once we reach to the Power Query, we can go and create a blank query and right click and open advanced editor of such a blank query, and then we can try a function list dot duration. So now list dot duration, and in the list dot duration it asks for few parameters. For first parameters ask for a duration, so which is hash duration, which we are going to give. So hash duration is 0, we don't want any day component, and again hourly component we want 0, one more 0 which is minutes, and one more 0 which is second. How many hours we have in day? 24, so we give 24, and if you are using minutes and second, then we going to have more there. And then let's give another duration it is asking, which is step, and here also we are going to give duration, and in this duration we are going to give 0 1 0 comma 0, which means a duration of an hour we are giving here, and then we say done. And let's call this table as our table. Now this table seems fine. So what we can do is, this is list.duration, we can say convert to table, and once we convert to table, you see this is having a data type which is one ABC123, which is type any. We don't want it as type any, we want it as time, but if I change it to time here, it's going to give an error. So I'm going to change it to duration here, and I'm going to replace the current. Please remember, whenever you change data type, you should change it on the first existence. Otherwise, if it is having some error because of the data type, then it's going to still give you that error. So always change the first existence. So that's why replace current, it means correct the data type at the first instance. So then we will say close and apply, and then we come here and let's look at our table. So let's look at the table, our table. Now here you see it is coming as a decimal, so we go ahead and convert this into time, and we'll say yes, we wanted to change it. So you can see now it is time AM PM, and if you want 24 hours for 24 hours format, then we can go ahead and choose one of that kind of format, like this or this one, and then we'll get a 24 hours format. Now this is hourly table. Can I create a table which gives me every minute or every 5-minute table, or let's say 15-minute table? So let's say if I need a table which gives me 15-minute intervals. So let me go back to Power Query, transform data, transform data. I go ahead and create again from the home tab, new blank source, and this time I want to create a 15-minute 15 table. Okay, I rename this query, and then I go to the advanced auditor, and this time I again going to take the help from list.duration, list.durations, and then first thing which I need is duration. So I say duration, which is again going to start 0 0 0 0 4 0, 1 for day, 1 for hour, 1 for minute, 1 for second. Then now I need 15-minute interval for how many times? 24 across 4 is that 96 which I need. I was writing 14, but it's 40. Now I need a duration of 15 minutes. Now that's important. So we say hash duration day is 0, hour is 0, duration is 15, not 1 this time. Okay, and then we say 15-minute duration. Is that what I want here? And then I say, okay, this is what, please give me this. So you can see now I'm getting 15-minute duration, and I want this into a table. So 15-minute, 15-minute, 15-minute. Again, I'll convert it into a table. I say to table, then data type is date, any right now. So I want to convert it into date, time or date, but right now not. We will convert it into a duration. We will say close and apply. And then we go here and look at minute 15 table. Again, we need to correct the data type. Go to the column tools and say time. Now, but I'll tell you one more thing. Now, what would happen? You will say, no, 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 no. How do I, in my table, I convert into a 15? How do I round off? Can't you give me a range instead of this one? Isn't it? I give you a range of 15 minutes. Would that not be better? Like here 12 to 12, 14, 9, 9, 59, 59, something like that. Will that not be better? That seems like a better idea. So let's go to the home, transform data, and this time around we go back to the same table, and what you need is a new column. So let's call this column as start time, and you need a column which is end time. So we say add column, custom column, and we'll call it end time. And what is the end time you need? So we will say, let's say till 59 seconds we need. So we say start time plus duration hash duration zero comma zero, day 0, hour 0, 14-minute 59-second is something which we wanted to add here, and let's see does it work out. So hash duration, no colon here, only commas. So 0 days, 0 hours, 14-minute 59 seconds. That's what we want in end time. So we got an end time which is this one. Now if you want 15, you can add 15. So basically you can use less than that. And then I go ahead, I click on the end date, I go to the home tab, and I change the data type again to duration. I say close and apply, and once I say close and apply, I'll be coming back to this table. Now again, this field is again not a time field. So I go to the column tools, I go to the data type, I convert it into a time, I say yes, and I might look. So I also need to change the format, so I change it to this format. So now you can see that we are looking into the same stuff. I think I might have chosen a different one there. Okay, this one is AM PM. We need to change this one also. Okay, so 0 0, so 14 59 15 to 29 59 30 30 to 44 59 45 45 to 59 59 1 hour. So in this manner, this now you got a range, so you can put on a table where you, that's between the range, and then you can plot it the way you want it. So this is how you can use this function list.duration. Go ahead and try that out. Do let me know in comments what else you want me to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Keep watching, keep asking questions in comments, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new videos. Thank you.